Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. In the first step, open registry editor. Just go to search bar and type your registry editor. Then click here to open it. Select S. Once we are here, we need to just go back to the main screen here. Now expand the HKey classes root. Now we need to find out the directory in the HKey classes root. Just scroll down and here it is. Expand these. Now expand background folder, then expand shellx folder. Now in the context menu handler, expand these, and we need to find out the IG folder start with IG. Okay, simply delete them all. For example, here is a folder name IGX anything etc. Then simply right click on it, select and delete. Okay, so once done, just close the window. Now open task manager, find out the file explorer. Just find out the file explorer, right click on it and select restart. Okay, once done, you need to restart our system and problem will be solved for sure and 100%. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.